Hey YouTube, Pacific TacWest here, bringing you a quick side-by-side comparison of the Sig 232. Now, a short while ago I did a overview of the Sig 232 Two-Tone pistol, but in this one, comparing it to the SL or the stainless steel edition. Both are still chambered in 380, have the stainless steel slides, but this one has the stainless steel frame. Before we go any further though, just to show you here, empty magazine, nothing in the chamber. The real difference, of course, is the weight. The weight on the two-tone, being an aluminum frame, is 18.8 ounces versus 23.7 for the stainless steel. Now again, I've weighed this unloaded with the hoe grips on it. Factory specs I think show it being at 23.6. Hoe grips are a bit heavier. Previously I had them on the two-tone, but since getting the stainless steel, went ahead and took those off and put back the black synthetic factory stock 232 grips. Only thing I didn't like about the stainless steel is that the sights on this are the standard just 3 red dots versus the two-tone, which actually comes with night sights. A little bright in here, so I'm not sure how well you can see it, but I can say if you had this in dark or low light conditions, these do light up pretty well. So I mean, looking at the stainless steel, I mean, again, just a beautiful gun. I wish Sig did not discontinue this. I'm kind of shocked that the newer baby of this, if you will, is the 238, a much smaller 380. But this is just one of those pistols where even though it's chambered in a 380 or 9mm short, you feel like you're carrying a compact pistol instead of a subcompact pistol as you do with the 238. So again, just to show you the quick takedown of this. That's it. Clean, oil, reassemble, flip. So again, nothing too fancy in this one, just wanted to show you a quick side-by-side comparison of the two-tone and the stainless steel edition of the Sig Sauer P232 chambered in 380 or rather 9mm short. From Pacific TacWest, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and be sure to check back for future uploads.